change country or location on OmeTV mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your country or location in your OmeTV mobile app. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Google Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for OmeTV, and after that just simply go ahead and download the application in your device. And once you are done installing the app in your device, just click on open from here. And after that just simply open your account. So the process of changing your country or your location in your OmeTV is quite simple. All you have to do is just simply click on this country section from the home screen itself, and here you will get so many options of the country that you can go ahead and choose from. For example, Ireland, Israel, Italy, Japan, Kazakhstan, Korea and other options. So just go ahead and select the country that you are currently residing in. Do not change the country that you are not living in currently, because it might ban your account permanently. So make sure to choose the location that you are currently residing on, so that the device can access your current location while you are using the app in your device. So for example, you want to change your country to Argentina, just simply click on it and just make sure that you're living on that particular location as well. But if you still want to change this particular location while not changing your location in the app in the mobile, so all you can do is just open your VPN. Just open any random VPN, and after that from the list given below just select the same country that you have selected in the OmeTV app in your device. So just select the same country from here, and after that just simply open your VPN, just turn it on, and once you turn on the VPN, then just come back to your OmeTV account, and after that just match the country that you have just selected in your VPN account, and this way you will be able to change your country and location on your OmeTV mobile. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.